Voiceless video is almost lifeless, so mix audio tracks while you edit. For track-based audio adjustments, the audio mixer faithfully emulates a full-featured audio mixing board, complete with fade and pan sliders, sends and effects. Premiere Pro saves your adjustments in real time, on the fly. With a supported sound card, you can record audio through the sound mixer or mix audio for 5.1 surround sound. Deliver your edited sequence in the medium of your choice: tape, DVD, Blu-ray disc, or movie file. Using the Adobe Media Encoder, you can customize the settings for MPEG-2, MPEG-4, FLV, and other formats and codecs to the needs of your viewing audience.